Now when it comes to money and investing, I have a noticeable amount of bad habits. Mistakes that I could literally fill a 90-minute video on YouTube of. But conscious of your time today, guys, I want to focus on the 3 personal mistakes that spring to mind straight away that will not only save you money, but help you get richer and build wealth in the future. And if any of what I say in this video helps you or you find useful, please do consider smashing that like button to help this channel out and get this information out to others to help them on their investing journey. And with that, let's get started. So in case you're wondering what on earth lifestyle inflation is, well, this essentially occurs when you increase your spending as your income goes up. And I'll be honest, at one point I was the best at this. For every pay rise I got, I pulled out another direct debit. For every income stream I did a few more shopping trips a month. But the problem with this bad habit was it took me a while to recognize that I hadn't actually moved forward in terms of creating a better financial future for myself. Yes, I had more designer gear in my cupboard and a slightly more damaged liver from drinking Ciroc instead of Smirnoff, but I wasn't moving ahead from a financial standpoint, and it was a dangerous game. So if you can refrain from lifestyle inflation, I promise you, you're halfway there towards your financial freedom goals. Now I have a video on inflation that you may want to check out, but lifestyle aside, inflation and merely understanding inflation is so crucial. You don't need to be an economist to get a grasp of what inflation is, and sadly just knowing about it isn't going to be enough. You need to be doing the following next step. Invest. Investing is an excellent way to hedge against inflation. Yes, you could increase income streams, by all means. Having more money gives you more choice. But for many of us who are working around the clock or have families or are unable to start a side hustle right now, are bringing in other income streams, this simply may not be feasible. So that is why I truly believe that you must at least entertain the concept of investing. The S&P is continuously hitting all-time highs right now. Cryptocurrency is being adopted more and more, each day giving unbelievable returns on investment, a lot more than the 0.1% Santander is giving right now. And even blue chip stock companies provide better returns throughout the year through their yields and dividends when compared with just leaving your money in a current account. But still, I see so many of my friends and family just not investing. Why? Well, it's either a lack of knowledge or it may be the thought that you need thousands and thousands to start investing. And let's be honest, the latter is certainly not true too. You can literally start investing with as little as £50 today. And yes, granted, it will take you time for that to compound and change your life, but the results in the future will be so worth it if you simply start today. You see, I started investing 10 years ago, and I'm very, very fortunate that I sit here today having total control of my life, choices, and decisions. 10 years for many may sound like a long time, but you can definitely do it sooner, as there's so many opportunities out there right now, along with so many mistakes you can avoid by simply watching my videos that can help you get there quicker, faster, and hopefully do it a lot better than myself. And that is what I want to help you all with on this channel to the best of my ability. So hopefully guys, if you enjoyed that, you'll stick around and smash that like button, as it will be truly appreciated. And speaking of appreciation guys, I want to take this moment to thank you all for sticking around when you could have been doing anything, but you chose to spend a few moments with me. And that makes you pretty awesome. So until next time guys, thanks for watching.